Hi guys, welcome to the JFS channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. So today we'll be looking at the strategy right here, which is boom and crash strategy and also the VIX indices strategy. So the strategy is useful to trade, and it's one of the trading strategies you can use it to make money trading the boom and crash and the VIX. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on push notification. And I post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Also, guys, will do something. We are going to make sure that we give you all the details about the strategy and also review or something, but make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss anything about this strategy or any explanation about the strategy. Also guys, we do something with your fire people account management. No matter how small or big your equity is, your account, you just contact us for account management, and we will be able to glad to help you manage your account, make profit, and then share profit. Though we have times and conditions for account management, but we are going to send you the terms, and then if you agree with the terms, then we are going to manage your account for you. So with that being said, just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, or check the link in the description below for the direct contact to our WhatsApp number. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the strategy right here. So I did the strategy right here. So the first thing that we are going to do is just make sure that give you guys the settings for the strategy, and also we explain how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. So this strategy, I could say the strategy is useful on the lower time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame, and also useful on the H4 time frame and the H1 time frame. Okay, so you can see the trade that was being taken on the VIX 51x is 9 per entry trades, which you can see it right there. So it's a buy limit trade period. Once it hit, it will eventually open a position for us. So, but for the sake of most of people that with small and more small equity, so we are going to be using the 1 minute time frame. So the first settings that we need for this strategy, just go to the icon, which go to your indicator windows, and then we delete everything up. So we are going to start from scratch. Okay, now you can see we have a clean chart right here. Now go to this icon and click on the main window F plus. Now click on the main window plus and then search for a moving average and click on it. Now the first moving average, period is going to be 11, shift is 0. The method is simple: apply to close on the style. I'm going to be using the red color, so I'm going to change this to red, and then I'll set everything up like this. Then click on done, and you can see we have a moving average right in our chart. Now the next indicator we're going to be adding is also going to be in our main window, but it's going to be listed on indicator window 1. So we search for your RSI and click on it. Now this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is sorry, the period is 10 actually. Apply to close, and the levels we need the 10 and the 90 levels. Click on done, and then the style, we don't need the style, just set the style as your background window. Now when you set everything up, then click on done, and you are good to go. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be listed in our indicator window 1. Click on the F plus and search for your MACD, and click on your MACD, and this is the parameters for the MACD. The first EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. You don't need the levels. The time frame is all time frames, and the mean are going to be using the red and the blue color for the mean and the signal style. So I set everything up, click on done, and we're good to go. Now the last but not the least indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be listed in the indicator in 1 window. Now click on the F plus, so I click on the plus and search for moving average and click on it. And the parameters for the moving average are going to be 1, shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to close, and the style we are going to be using the I'm going to be changing it to green. Now we set everything like this, then click on done, and you are good to go. Now we have all the settings that we need for the strategy right here. We have all the settings that we need for the strategy. Now how we are going to make use of the strategy is what I'm about to teach you guys today. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel once again, like this video, and also turn on post notification, and I put new strategy, you guys should be aware. So guys, now let's show you guys how you guys are going to make use of the strategy right here. I'm show you guys how you are going to make use of the strategy. Now to make use of the strategy, this is what we need. Before we can make use of this strategy right here. So the first thing we want to look out for is you want to look into your So we want to look right here. Make sure that the first thing is wait for this green line right here, touching the 10 levels of the RSI. When touching the 10 levels of the RSI, now your expectation is to wait for a breaker right here. Make sure that you see a crossover approach right here, which means that the green line cross above the MACD line. When you see that, then you look into your main chart. Upon looking to your main chart, this is what we need to see right here. We want to see this break right here. We want to see this this green line broken above the moving average. When broken above the moving average line, then that is when we want to go for a buy. That's when we want to go for a buy. Same thing applicable for a sell. Same thing applicable for a sell. First thing you want to wait for, just that you need to wait for a tortoise at the 90 levels, which is the oversold level. Now wait for it at the 90 levels. So when you see this touch the 90 levels, and then you wait for a breakout right here. When you see the breakout, sometimes you can wait for a test, and sometimes you can jump into the position straight away. Sorry. Now so we are sorry guys. Now just that you can jump in straight away when you see when you see this broken right here. When you see this broken right here, you can jump into the position straight away and then close your profit when it touching the 10 levels, or close when it touches the resistance levels. But sometimes the market may not touch the resistance level, so it's just able to close your position when you're touching the 10 levels of the RSI. So now for the boom indices, right here, this is what we need to see. This is to make use of this strategy on boom and crash indices is different from how you guys are going to make use of this strategy on the VIX indices. Now let me show you how. Now the first entry right here, this boom and crash entries is split into two. Now the first entry right here is that, now the first thing we want to look out for is that make sure you wait for now make use of this indicator on the one. Make use of the indicator on the one right here. Now the first thing we want to look for right here, sorry. So the first thing we want to wait for is let me go straight to where it will be a lot more easier for us guys. So let me use this right here. So the first thing we want to wait for right here is that you want to wait for the line touching the 90 levels of the RSI. When you're touching the 90 levels of the RSI, then the next thing you want to look out for is to go straight for a sell. You go straight for a sell and touching the 90 levels. So after touching the 90 levels, you are expected to take some candles, and then we see that the green line is touching the MACD line right here. Then that's when you want to close your positions up. And the same thing applicable here in the main chart. When touching the red line, you want to close your position. And for the second entry is when it closes above it. And you can see when it closes above it, then you are expected to see a spike at the middle. After moving below it, then you want to wait for a spike. After the spike occurs, then you want to jump into the position straight away. And you also want to look out for for the green line to cross below the MACD line. When it crosses, then that is the second entry. 10 seconds entry, guys. Same thing applicable for the crash indices. Same thing applicable for the crash indices. Okay, so what you have to wait for right here is just that you need to wait for touching right here, and you also open your position. When you open your position, then you close it when touching the MACD line. And for the second entry, you wait for it to close, you cross above it, and you wait for a spike to occur. When you see the spike, then you want to jump into the position straight away. So as simple as that, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And I'm posting strategy, you guys should be aware. So if you might wonder how the 500 move, so you can see it's how the 500 move right here. You can see it's also a sniper entry, also a sniper entry right there. So simple strategies. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And time posting strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.